Here I am rolling out my clay into a slab. So I'm using the wooden guys to make sure that the clay is even throughout. Okay, so that ensures that the clay is the same thickness all the way through. Then I'm cutting my house pattern from the shapes that I've cut out. So I've got the two side walls. Now I'm cutting out the roof. And here I'm doing a little groove in the middle so I can fold it over. Then I'm going to cut the front and back wall. Here making sure that they're all the same shape. Here I'm trying to assemble my house to adjust any lengths on there. So you can see I can need to cut some little bits on the side walls, on the front and back walls to adjust it on there. So to stick the piece of clay together, I'm scratching both sides of the clay and then applying some slip, which is some clay diluted with water, and fixing those together. So scratching, slip, assemble together, and really press hard to make sure that they are lined up and nicely together. So same on the roof, scratching and scarring and assembling the roof on there. And you can smooth the clay with just slightly wet fingers, or just dip your fingers into the slip and wet them. So here I'm rolling out some really thin coils of clay and then consolidating the inside with that. So once I've consolidated the inside, I'm ready to just carve out some windows and start engraving, or just making the patterns for my house on there. Okay, so the side wall, I've got a different type of window on there. I'm doing the chimney on here and fixing the chimney to the roof. Same scratching, scarring, scratching or scarring, a bit of slab and putting it on there. Okay, now I've got that done, I'm going to complete my patterns on my house. So I just want to show the brickwork on there, the window sills, the edge of the windows, and so on. So you can do that with a pencil or a sharp tool if you've got a sharp tool in your toolbox. Same just here, refining and putting the final touches on there. And that's it, I've got my little house complete.